Now, there is confusion today and concern over at Seattle's VA hospital as reports are surfacing that federal agencies are seeing their cash flow halted.
Now, we just received word from the Seattle VA that dozens of probationary employees have been laid off. In addition to that, they have froze their accounts and budget of the VA.
In a social media post, Western Washington Congressman Adam Smith called the cuts outrageous. Fox 13's A.J. Janival has the potential impacts to local veterans.
Officials tell me there's been so many changes over the last few days, it's hard just keeping up. Veterans that I spoke to tell me they're waiting to see what happens next.
I'm a disabled Army veteran, and I was a dedicated employee at the U.S. Department of Veterans Affairs.
Senator Patty Murray posted this interview on her X page Monday. In the post, Murray says Rafael Garcia was fired from the Seattle VA with zero justification.
I was drawn to the mission. I even took pay cuts. I work outside of hours without pay just because I know how much I care about my community, the fellow veterans. So being taken away from this position, it was a stab to the heart.
Murray pointed to Tuesday's announcement of 1,400 layoffs at the VA as cause for alarm. But the agency says those were not mission-critical workers, and that cost cutting has already resulted in nearly $2 billion in savings without hurting core services. But now reports say the Department of Government Efficiency put a $1 spending cap on government employee credit cards, like the ones used at the VA for daily expenses.
Those budgets are now frozen.
In a post to his ex social media, Congressman Adam Smith said cutting dollars to the VA will hurt patients immediately.
And the Seattle VA pretty soon, like tomorrow, is going to have to start canceling procedures for veterans because Elon Musk is randomly firing people and devastating the services to American people. And now to our veterans, to deny them the health care that they earned and deserved, we really need to speak out.
A representative from the Department of Veterans Affairs told Fox 13 Seattle the VA worked out an agreement where their credit cards will not have a dollar cap, and the VA will conduct their own reviews of department charges and report its findings. The rep also told us all VA credit cards are working and veteran services are operational. However, the Veterans Affairs representative refused to answer any follow-up questions, like what, if any, impact this confusion had before an agreement was reached, specifically on patients. I got a chance to speak to some of the veterans here at the hospital today. They tell me they're aware of this controversy that's coming out of Washington, D.C., but they say it has not impacted their services. Reporting in Seattle, I'm A.J. Janival, Fox 13 News.